Hi everyone and welcome back to Crazy Phonics. Okay, we're going to carry on today with learning our phase 5 sounds. We're going to recap our phase 3 sounds and the ones that we've already learnt in phase 5, and then we're going to learn a new sound. Okay, here we go. Let's see if you can do them really quickly today. Are you ready? Ah, O, I, oi, ear, z, x, qu, v, w, y, air, y, sh, ch, z, j, ow, a, o, oo, e. Well done, everyone. That was really fast. You did a really good job there. Well done. Okay, these are our phase 5 sounds that we've learnt so far. A. Well done. Ow. Super. I. E. And then today's sound that we're going to learn is the sound oi. We have already learnt the sound oi, but with a different spelling choice in phase 3 sounds. Our oi that we learnt before had the O and the I for the spelling choice. Today, our phase 5 sound we're learning is oi with the O and Y spelling choice. Okay, remember we spoke before about how you just need to look and sometimes your mind's eye will know whether it looks right or not for your spellings. Okay, so we're going to think of some words that have got the oi sound in them. Can you think of some for me? Oi, boy, well done. Toy, well done. Enjoy, I enjoy doing my lessons with you. Ploy, that's a good one. Annoy, sometimes we annoy each other, don't we? We don't always mean to. What's another one you can think of? Can you think of any more? I'll give you some time to have a think. Right, I'm going to get some words for you to read now, using our sounds, remembering to sound each separate sound, and then blend them together to read the word. Okay, here we are. My first one is going to be this one. Oi, toy. Well done. J, oi, joy. Very good. J, oi, j, oi, enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Well done. B, oi, boy. Oi, o. Oi, o. Royal, royal, royal. The Queen is royal, isn't she? Royal. We have a royal family here. Oi. This is a bigger word, so slow down a little bit with this one. Oi. So let's think about the first half. Des, oi, Troy. Destroy, 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 destroy. Well done. That's a hard word, that one. This one has got the oi sound at the beginning of the word. Oyster, 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 oyster. That's a kind of sea fish. Well done. Okay, now we're going to do some writing with our oi sound today. So we're going to write our oi sound in the middle of our page, oi, and we're going to think of some words with the oi sound to write. So what about the word toy? What sounds have we got in the word toy. T. Well done. T. Oi. T. Oi. Toy. T. Oi. Toy. What about enjoy? E. N. J. Oi. E. N. J. Oi. Enjoy. What about the word boy? What sounds are in the word boy? B. Well done. And oi. Boy. B. Oi. Boy. What about the word destroy? D. E. S. Dest. Oi. Oi. Destroy. That's a long word, that one. Okay, what about the word oyster? That was with the oi sound at the beginning. Oi. S. T. Oi. St. That's got a digraph at the beginning and the end of the word, that one. Well done. I want you to go and pause me now and then go and write some of those words yourself. Off you go, have fun. Well done, everyone. Okay, now we're going to write a sentence together. So the sentence we're going to write today is the sentence, I enjoy playing with my toys. I enjoy playing with my toys. 6 words in our sentence. Let's say our sentence 3 times so that we know what we're writing. I enjoy playing with my toys. I enjoy playing with my toys. I enjoy playing with my toys. Okay, so our first word in our sentence is the word I. Capital letter I. I enjoy. E. N. J. Oi. I enjoy playing. P. A. That's one of our sounds we've already learnt in phase 5. P. A. I. That's one of our phase 3 sounds. I enjoy playing with my toys. I'm going to have to go down here because I haven't got enough space here to carry on. I'm going to go down here. I enjoy playing with. One of our key words. With my. Another key word. I enjoy playing with my toys. T. Oi. S. And then what do we need for the end of our sentence? We need a full stop. Well done. I enjoy playing with my toys. Well done, everybody. Now go and see if you can write one of your own sentences with our oi sound in one of your words, or even 2 of your words. Okay, pause me, and then when you come back, we'll go through our phase 3 decodable and sight words. Okay, now we're going to go through our phase 3 decodable and sight words. Okay. Her. They. All. She. We. Are. Be. Me. He. You. My. Was. And now our decodable words. Down. Will. Now. For. Look. Oops. With. See. To. That. Them. Sorry, that one was then. Them. And this. Well done, everybody. Hope you've enjoyed your crazy phonics again today, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.